HP Envy X360. The HP Envy X360 is a 2-in-1 laptop that can be used as a traditional laptop or converted into a tablet by flipping the screen 360 degrees. It typically comes with a touchscreen display, which allows for more interactive and intuitive use when in tablet mode. The Envy X360 line is known for its slim and lightweight design, making it a good choice for people who need a portable computer. In terms of performance, the Envy X360 is usually equipped with a mid-range processor, such as an Intel Core i7, and can have 12 of RAM. It typically comes with a solid-state drive, SSD, for storage, which provides faster access to files and programs than a traditional hard drive. In terms of connectivity, the Envy X360 typically has a variety of ports and features, including USB-A and USB-C ports, an HDMI port, and a South Dakota card reader. It may also have built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Some models also come with a fingerprint reader for added security. Overall, the HP Envy X360 is a versatile and powerful laptop that is suitable for a wide range of uses, from everyday tasks like browsing the web and checking email to more demanding tasks, like video editing and graphic design.